Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your Monopoly Go account, and for that you need to make sure that your account is linked to a platform, for example Facebook, Apple or anything. And if your account is linked to any platform, go and open your Monopoly account. If your account is linked to your any platform, just go and open your account. Just go and open your app and it will take you straight to your Monopoly board. And what you need to do is tap on this 3 bar and you will see setting button right in this area. And now you need to tap on customer service. You will see so many articles, and you just need to scroll down and find this account recovery, and you can read this menu, and from here you can see how to do that. Let me just go back, and I need to chat to this, and on the top you will see this section. Tap on that to chat to their customer care, and now you need to explain your problem. You need to recover your account and send them that message, and they will send you some instruction and ask you for some details, and when you fill up them, they will help you to recover your account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.